How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reduce lag in Geometry Dash. So basically, if you're experiencing this on your mobile devices and computers, it's going to simply work the same. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the main menu of Geometry Dash. And if you have some background applications like myself, you could just try to close them out to free up as much space as you need for the Geometry Dash to run smoothly. You can do the same thing for your devices. You could just exit out of the background applications and then you're good to go from there. Heading over to the Geometry Dash main menu, click on the gear icon. In here, click the graphics option and you could just make sure to reduce the texture quality into something like low or medium. So click on apply, it will start to load in. Now it's going to look a lot less clearer, but it's going to be fine because from there, it will be able to easily run Geometry Dash from here. And so those are the ways on how you can do this easily. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.